Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is your girl Rahaima V. First of all, I would like to welcome you to our humble place, Wapang! We have many assorted plants here. Come. This one is papayas and that one is tanglad. But unfortunately, the previous storm destroyed it all. So, here we have 4 goats here. That one is Mickey. That one, oh, the other one is hiding on the grass. That one is Snowy. That one is Onyx. And the other one is Kalala. But the 2 goats are hiding. So, this is the dogs. This is my grandma. And this is my dogs. They are very thin. This one is Doraemon. This one is Matcha. That one is Choco. The brown dog is Gila. And that one is Cookie. This is my sister. Gila. Pai! Naiya ako eh! Come here. This side is my favorite grandma's plant. They call them the Arurais. They really love them. This one is Bougainvillea. This one is the Mayanas. This one is the Alimong. And this one is, what's this? I don't know the name. Sorry, I forgot its name. What is that? This one is Bougainvillea. Okay. And in this area is our veggies. This one is talong, siling green, labuyo, and talong again, and tomatoes. There are plenty of fruits. Sorry, I can't touch it. They are sensitive. Look what I've done. This is my fault. Oh my God. Come here. This area, my papa is still working on it. As you can see, we have coconut also. Coconut on that side. Come, I'll show you some more. Look how beautiful our place is. Look at my sister. She's vlogging also. See? Our neighbor also built a fence on their land. Look. Come here. See? Take a look around. Look how beautiful our place is. Next year, we are planning to plant some rice on this area.
Ouch, it hurts.
This is our goat's house. As you can see, my papa is planning to build a swing, but it's not finished yet. This is the goat's house. My papa built. This is our Belgian, and her name is Zurich. some more tomatoes. I planted by myself. Here's the other one. These are calamansi. It has many flowers. This is my Lalos orchids. And look, it's flowering already. It's purple. Come. This is my bird. This is my lovebird. There were many before, but the others died. And she's the only one left. How sad. I don't know if it's a female or a male. So, but its name is Jim. This is our caritela. My father is building it to use as papayas harvester. And these are guyabanos. Or sorso. This is our stainless kalandi uling. It looks, oh yes, it looks a little bit ugly, but it's really useful. This is our siniguelas. My father put some concrete egg here for us to sit down. Don't mind the kalat. This is our mango tree, and that one is the chassis or the vehicle. Take a look. Oh my god. And look, it is a tae. Okay? That's all for today's vlog. And I hope you like it. And I'm planning to make some more. I'm going to be a vlogger. I hope you like it. Please click like and subscribe. Bye!